Hi guys, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to replace the null values with zeros in QlikView. So if there are null values or null fields, you can replace it with a zero. So how we can do this? We'll see it. First go to this file menu, click on it, go to edit script or you can press control. Then it will redirect us to this particular HTML window. So I have written over here set null interpreter equal to single inverted comma, and then semicolon. I have written it previously. So now we have to click on this table file so that we can take the data. So it is going to redirect us to the folder where I can choose the file. So I'll choose the file name as copy chain sales. Now select the table which you want. So I want the table named as introduction common. I don't want the none labels. I want embedded labels. So I don't want this particular ABCD. So I'll show you. Over here you can see this is coffee sales and these are the null fields. So we can replace this with a value that is 0. So wherever you are finding out empty or null values or null fields, so it can be replaced with 0. So I'll click on finish so that a code will be generated. Over here we can find out that a code is going to be generated. Now over here we have to type a single line code. We have to give a condition, that is if bracket, so that the condition is going to appear is null tab bracket, expression will be the office sales, comma 0. So it is going to say that if the coffee sales is having a null field or null value, you have to replace it by 0. Then 0, comma coffee sales bracket close as coffee sales. So this is over. So there is no underline so that we can get to know that it is correct. So if there will be a red line over here or any underlining will be there, so it is giving error. So I'll click on OK. I'll click on reload. Now go to this particular main sheet or QlikView document, right click over here, go to this main sheet object, go to table box, click on add all, click on load order, which is there in your Excel sheet. So now you can click on apply and OK. So you can see over here that the null fields or null values is being replaced with 0. So I hope you have understood how to replace the null values with 0 in QlikView. Thanks for watching.